one of the things I was wondering of how I was going to do was the fenders, right? So I knew I wanted to make them out of Luan or cardboard or something and then stiffen them up with blah, blah, blah. I think I'm going to stick with Luan, but I made this piece. I got this idea from my dad. If I make this piece here, here, out of the 1/2-inch plywood, then I can have the arch of the wheel and or follow the arch of the wheel, and then when I put the from the running board and the fender up, I can glue and staple it to this, and it'll stick out probably about 5 inches so it overhangs the wheel, and I can attach it to this, get that shape, because the Luan will bend, but you have to have something to kind of keep it in shape. So I think this is going to work out really good and give me a really nice, shape. And then which I can, remember this will be from about here, will be about 4 2x4s wide. And so the fender comes down like this and then back up. Another thing I was trying out was I just did a very, quick version with this extra beadboard I had. It would not be good to use beadboard in the long run because it's just, too flimsy, but same sheet of Luan, trace out larger spokes and a thicker piece. That way I can, when I paint it red, remember these wheels don't carry any weight. They just kind of, they're decorative. And that's red, it'll look more like the Chitty wheels. So I think it, especially when you look at the other one, I think it really makes it look much more substantial. It looks weird from this side, but also I got the top put on and the whole, the edge cut out. That's gonna have trim work, so don't look at that. But I like this because this shows you how thin the beadboard is, and when it's sanded nice and stained, I have a nice cognac color, this nice reddish brown. I think that's gonna look really, really nice on it. And then, like I said, I'll go back and tape off either all or every maybe third or fourth one of these bead lines here, and then paint them. I'll just, if I tape it off, I'll spray a tan enamel spray on that. That way, it makes this stand out more. And now that I say it, I probably will tape off all of it and do it, but that's just gonna be a lot of work. But it'll be worth it because it'll look super expialidocious, fragilistic, something or other cool. And then again, the same board here goes from the dash, that firewall curves down up to here. So there's just like enough room for them to step in. And then it follows this height all the way back to the point here. And so it'll be a nice, really pretty boat tail, I think. I did get this basket to go on the back like Chitty has. My little... The only problem is that I think it might be a wee bit too small, but we shall see. So some of the cool extra pieces that go on here, these are parts of the dash. If you ever look at the pictures, the reference photos that I have up, these are gonna fit really nice. I have 2 lanterns that are coming where I'll put in an LED light like this for the sides of the firewall. And then this is to go over the hood. And then Jackie went all out, got the really snazzy brass wood handled steering wheel. And so this is gonna look really, really sharp. Look at the rest of my mess. Anyway, that's another little update for you. Yeah.